first step in the priming process is the corona treatment. A corona treatment increases the surface energy of a substrate to improve wettability and adhesion of inks, coating, and adhesives. To determine if a corona treatment is necessary for a particular substrate, you first need to determine the Dyne level of that substrate using Dyne pens. The optimal Dyne level is 40 or 41. Any substrate with a Dyne level of lower than 40 will need to be corona treated. Take a piece of uncoated substrate and list out the numbers of Dyne pens, 30 through 44. Then, take those pens and draw a line to see if it wets out completely. If the substrate does not wet out completely, with the pens 40 through 44, then the Dyne level is too low and the substrate should be corona treated. The lower the Dyne level, the higher the corona treater should be set. In this example, you can see the Dyne level is 36, so the substrate should be corona treated.